Explain in detail the order of purchase. This is a final and formal confirmation of the essential materials to be supplied by the vendor to the industry. This will involve all the names of the essential materials with the equivalent plant. The details of the purchase would include the code of the company, the vendor's name, the delivery date of the materials. What is the planned delivery and GR processing time? The meaning of planned delivery is the number of business days in which the person is expected to receive the materials and goods. The GR processing time is the number of business days in which the person has to inspect and place the material in the storage after obtaining the goods and materials. How does one do a verification of the invoice? When the invoice is related to an existing sheet, then the information which is relevant is taken out by the system. This includes material, vendor, delivery, and its terms, payment, etc. One has to enter the invoice and the system takes out the account, tax, discount, and corrections that are relevant. If the invoice has been posted, data like the average of the price are reorganized.